So driving down the road here in Saxis, Virginia, we're looking at some hunting land with my buddy and decided to stop here at the Sanford General Store. Just do a quick walk in and see what they have available. You wanna go in, David?
Sure. We're going into movie mode.
That's right, now I'm taking photos.
Come here! Oh, Lord have mercy. You probably get the sound too, don't you?
Oh yeah,
Tell him,
you're on video.
From Baltimore. I'm from Baltimore, and he's from Saxis.
So that was the trip. In just a second, I'll show you what all the cast iron that we got out of that.
Have a good one.
Thanks again.
All right, buddy, appreciate it.
This is what we ended up with just in this one trip. She wanted to do a package deal, and I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it, but just know it was a very fair deal on my end. We got a steel pan, and a lot of this I'm going to need to do some more research on, and my wife is going to shoot me because I'm feeding the addiction. Nice square skillet. Sydney O. Long life skillet. Gonna have to do some research on that one. That's a Griswold. We'll do some more research on that one. This one's clearly been machined. It's got machining marks on it, which I've never seen before. Oh, nope, there it is. That's a Taiwan. It'll go in the mix. Wagner ware, made in the USA. Chicken fryer. That looks like a Lodge number 3. This one looks like it's seen the campfire. More research on that one. And the Lodge 3-notch number 7. Oh no, pretty good hit. So I've made the trip home, and we've gone through that lot that we got at the Sanford General Store there. And actually the piece that I'm probably most interested in, I'm going to tackle first, is that high carbon skillet. And I've run E-tanks, and if you look at my videos, you'll see other E-tank videos. I'm going to run this through the vinegar process to get that rust off and see how it performs. So that's the plan. Let's see how it works. Oh, a little bit of history on this skillet. That emblem that they're using on that piece of advertising cookware was from, they stopped using that in 1928. And this was the precursor to our modern grocery stores. This company started in 1870, and they were unique in that they were a warehousing operation, and they decided to sell coffee, tea, and spices directly to the consumer and skip the middleman, the general store. And that model became the wholesale retail grocery model that exists today. I think the lineage goes all the way up to A&P grocery store. Ended up ultimately buying them out, and yeah, so that's it. That's a old piece there, and I'm looking forward to see how it comes out. And then I'm even looking forward to more seasoning and learning to use that high carbon steel skillet. I've watched some videos on it. I've never actually used one myself. This could become an interesting part of the cook process. So into the vinegar bath. Let's see what it does to the corrosion on that skillet.
Still feeling a little bit rough in through here. If you go to the outside edge here, it's really smooth, and you can see there's, I don't know, some polishing or something along there. So I think I'm going to do a little bit of polishing right in through here in the middle and see how that turns out.
So we've got a light coating of rust on there now, or not a light coating of rust. We've got a light coating of oil on there now, so it'll stop that flash rust from occurring. And now we'll go ahead and do the probably 2 or 3 coats of oil, light coats. Then in the oven, this oil that I'm using is a blend, but it's got some grapeseed in it. So 500 degrees for about an hour, let it cool down, thin coats, do that 3 times. Let's do the egg test. Here's another little tip for you. I use coffee filters when I'm spreading the oil around on my cast iron for seasoning because it doesn't leave lint behind. Quick tip. I'd say non-stick. Ooh, it does cook different. It gets hot quick. Look at that egg slide around in there. Could be a 100-year-old pan. Back in service. Let's see if we can do this. I love thinking about the number of meals that this is cooked, the history behind it. And while I got the inside, and I actually left some of the crust and the gunk on the outside of this pan, because I believe that's part of the story of this pan. I can get the inside refurbished and it's ready to use again, put back into service. But all of that wear and tear on the outside, that's history. This pan tells that story. So this video is perfect for your viewing habits. And this video is my latest upload. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.